I was out snowblowing the other day and all of a sudden I stopped getting traction. I looked down, my track had come off, and the drive sprocket had broken into two pieces. So I'll show you in this video how to replace the drive sprocket. So I've got my replacement drive sprocket to replace the broken one. I was able to find the model number and the serial number for my snowblower here. This is an MTD snowblower. So I went online, found a parts list, found this part, and was able to get it shipped to me in just a couple days. This is the drive sprocket. It's splined. It goes on this spline shaft. The front one is just an idler, so I doubt it has splines. I haven't taken it off to see. So the drive sprocket broke into two pieces. It goes on here. I was able to, there's a 3/4 nut and a washer that held it on. I was able to get it loose. I sprayed it with some PB bolt blaster to break the rust loose and was able to get this off. This is a jam nut, so it does take a little bit of force the whole time when you're putting it in, not just when you get it tight. I wire brushed this, sprayed this spline shaft with PB blaster to make sure I could get the next one on. I'm going to put a little bit of grease on this just to help the next one slide on. Wipe that around with my finger. I'm going to test fit this, make sure it slides on okay. Alright, so I'm going to put the track on. Looking at the other side, I can see that these notches go this direction. That helps it grip onto the snow. I'm going to slide this back onto this sprocket and put this sprocket into the track. And see if I can get it to slide on this way. I think probably what I need to do is loosen this one up. That way I'm not twisting these. I'm going to use an extension. This will make this go a little faster. Now let me slide these both on parallel. All right, put the washers back on. And the nuts. So it needs to go on a little further. All right, I'll use the release to let you turn to make sure this is all spinning. Everything seems to be spinning properly, and that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit the like button and let me know about it in the comments. You can also subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips. Thanks.